eating the same boring food every day? Forget it! Watch how to turn regular sweets and snacks into creative food in a new video. The blue-eyed girl welcomes her friend after a long trip. Dolly's had a nice vacation, and she doesn't come empty-handed. Look into your pocket. The blue-eyed girl finds a tiny box of nerds in her overalls pocket. Take 2 fondant pieces of different colors. Pinch off small pieces and roll teeny candies. Make a mini package. Make 2 sections inside. Put the candies of each color into a different section. The nerds' candies are so tiny, and there are few of them, so the blue-eyed girl puts the candies onto her palm and eats all of them at once. Oops, that's it! Well, Dolly takes out a box of regular candies. Take more! Emma has prepared something special, a big Chupa Chups. She just has to wrap it, but all of a sudden, a phone call distracts her. Melt 15 ounces of strawberry chocolate glaze. Add 1 spoonful of caramel crumbs. Put the mixture into a semi-sphere mold and spread it over evenly. Make 2 of the same details. Attach a balloon stick holder to 1 semi-sphere with the glaze. Let it harden. Join the 2 ball halves. Cut out a notch at the joining using a heated knife. Apply a layer of the melted glaze and attach the details. Scrape off the excess glaze on the seam and coat it with the glaze. Let it harden and smooth out with a hot spoon. Wrap up the candy in a colorful wrapping foil. Linda finds a big, beautiful package. I wonder what my friend is hiding in here. Wow, it's a giant Chupa Chups! And it's not a regular one. It's made from chocolate. Exactly what I love. But it's a pity that I've run out of it so fast. Well, I need to disguise the missing candy. Excellent, the fruit will do. Let's add the stick on top. Emma finds her candy on the table, but she feels something is wrong. There's a fruit basket inside instead of her Chupa Chups. Teeny cheese nachos are the cutest food in the world. Grate cheese finely. Arrange it into small piles on parchment paper. And melt it in a microwave. Cut out a paper template out of a small box. Assemble the package and put the mini cheese chips into the box. Dolly can't keep her eyes off her mini nachos. These babies are so cute! Tiny crunchy chips. How can I resist this temptation? Redhead is shocked. Her friend reached a point where she's talking to food. But Dolly wants to make her friend love these teeny chips too. My cheese precious! Oh, this food love will do her no good. Redhead and I are enjoying a fascinating movie, except that someone is taking my popcorn all the time. She won't get away with it. I conjure the smallest cup of popcorn for her. Draw a popcorn template on white paper. Cut it out and make cuts across the allowance. Fold the flaps, roll up, and also form a cup. Attach the bottom. Print a small label and tape it on. Cut popcorn into small pieces and put it into the mini cup. Add small 3D glasses to complete the image. Redhead must have gotten into a Lilliput movie theater. Otherwise, how can you explain the mini glasses and the tiny popcorn? This set is only for short films. This popcorn certainly won't be enough for a motion picture. The blue-eyed girl is doing her makeup. She sees Dolly in the mirror. Her sneaky friend sits on the sofa holding a huge choco pie in her hands. The blue-eyed girl turns around and the choco pie shrinks as if by magic. She looks into the